Hello everyone, this is Firefly and welcome to another video. I've made a video yesterday showing you how to set up a virtual machine running on Pop! OS, which you can find in the top right corner. In today's video I'm going to show you how to properly set it up and be ready for gaming on Linux. First of all, we need to update the library by opening the terminal and typing this in. I'll be leaving all the command lines in the description. Keep in mind that when it asks you for your password, it looks like you're not typing anything, but it is registering every key you type. So type in your password and click enter. Then we run this command to initiate the updating process. This will take some time, especially the first time you run it after installing a fresh install of the OS. So just wait it out. In order for Windows games and applications to work on Linux, we need a couple of things, and that's where Pop! OS with its simple look comes in handy. Instead of running commands in the terminal to get what we need, we can just download them off the Pop! Shop. You open it up and you look for Wine. We need Wine, Winetricks and Lutris. Let me give you a brief explanation of what each one of these does. Wine is basically a way or an app to translate the Windows commands to something Linux can understand. Winetricks is like a store that you can download things from. Lutris is just another gaming platform that you can look and download games from. After you're done installing these three, you can find them in the applications. If we open up Winetricks first, we can choose if we either want to install an application, for example, or a game from the menu. And then from the list, we choose one of the available applications or games. Let's try and install Steam. As you can see, Steam is running fine, you just need to log in. Now let's check Lutris, which is for gaming. Over here, if we look for League of Legends, for example, and click on search lutris.net, it will show up and we can download it. If it asks you to download anything that's required, then go ahead and do it. Give it a minute while it does its thing. Here it goes, it's running and patching. This way you can simply download and play whatever is compatible with Wine. Now keep in mind, not everything is compatible with Wine, but they are working on it. This would be it everyone, thank you very much for watching and please don't forget to drop a like if you liked this video, subscribe to get notified of my upcoming videos and other stuff I upload, and share this video with your friends. As always, take care, stay safe and until next time.